Hi friends, how are you? Today we're going to continue with our lesson, which is phonics. Last time we learned about silent E. This time we're going to learn about long A sound. For example, the word rain. How to spell the word rain? R-A-I-N. The AI in this word is pronounced with the long A. When two vowels comes together, the first one has the long A sound and the second one is silent. So the combination AI is sounded as long A. Same goes with the combination of AY. It's sounded as a long A. Here's some more examples of words with long A sound, which is train. Pay attention to the word train. Notice the spelling. Another example is the word snail. Snail. The next word is play. Look at the spelling of the word play. The AY is pronounced A. The last example is the word pay. The AY is pronounced A. Okay friends, please continue to practice reading these words with the long A sound. And this is the end of our lesson for today. I will see you again next time. Bye bye.